The warning. GI Group UK, one of Britain's largest recruitment agencies, recently warned, entry-level roles are rapidly being taken over by AI technology. This is the hardest period in several generations for young people entering the labour market. The government's promise. AI will grow our economy, make public services more efficient and open new opportunities to improve living standards. Government AI policy statement. Two visions, both shaping the lives of millions. So let's break this down. What is really happening to jobs, opportunities and young workers in the UK? Why finding work feels impossible? It's not your fault. You've applied for 20 jobs, maybe 30, maybe 50, and you wait and wait only to get silence. Not even a rejection email. If this sounds familiar, it's not because you're underqualified. It's not because you're doing something wrong. And it's definitely not because someone else is luckier than you. Something deeper has changed. Something structural. Something invisible. Because today, for millions of people across the UK, the first person to judge your CV isn't a person at all. It's an algorithm, a machine that decides in milliseconds whether you're worth sending to a human being. Most applicants never make it past that point. Not because they lack talent, but because the system never gave them a chance. A shift we didn't see coming. Across the UK, the job market is going through one of the biggest transitions in modern history. Companies are trimming roles. Entry-level positions are shrinking in many sectors. Interviews are becoming automated. And the traditional idea of a career ladder, first job, promotion, senior role, is slowly fading into the past. For the average worker, the market feels confusing. For young people entering the workforce, it feels overwhelming. And for those switching careers midlife, it feels almost impossible. But this isn't just a story of frustration. It's a quiet revolution, reshaping who gets hired, who gets replaced, and who gets left behind. A revolution many people didn't see coming. Why job hunting feels impossible now? For decades, the hiring process was simple. You send a CV. A human reads it. You get an interview. You take your chance. Today, that system is broken. Before your CV even reaches a hiring manager, it enters a digital gauntlet, a maze of automated filters trained to scan for keywords, patterns, and formats. These systems reject thousands of applications instantly. No emotion, no context, no understanding of the human behind the CV. Millions of candidates across the UK feel invisible because they are invisible to the system. This isn't a conspiracy. It's not personal. It's economics, it's efficiency, and it's the growing dependence on AI tools to cut costs and speed up hiring. Especially in junior roles, the place where human careers used to begin. The disappearance of entry-level work. This is the part most people don't realize. AI is not replacing top professionals first. It's replacing the people at the bottom of the ladder. The roles that once acted as training grounds, the first jobs, are becoming the easiest to automate. Basic admin, data entry, customer support, junior digital tasks, simple coding, routine finance work. These tasks used to help young workers build experience. Today, many of them are handled by algorithms or automated systems. And when the bottom of the ladder disappears, an entire generation struggles to take its first step. Not because there are fewer people, but because the ladder itself has fewer rungs. The collapse of the traditional career. For decades, the UK workforce was built on a quiet promise: get qualified. Join a stable company, work hard, move up the ladder, retire securely. That world is fading, not because of AI alone, but because the structure of the modern economy has changed. Companies restructure more often. Teams shrink. Roles evolve every 2 or 3 years. Middle management layers are thinning, and loyalty is no longer rewarded with stability. Entire departments can be replaced by a single workflow powered by AI and software. We're entering a time when careers are no longer linear, no longer predictable, no longer tied to one job title or one company. Instead, careers are becoming fluid, hybrid, skill-based, project-driven, and continuously evolving. By 2026, this shift becomes undeniable. Not a disaster, but a new reality. And the people who understand this shift are the ones who will be ready for the future, rather than afraid of it. Jobs, AI is already taking over. Across the UK, the first wave of AI-driven job transformation isn't theoretical. It's happening right now, quietly, in everyday places. Walk into a supermarket. You'll notice more self-checkouts and fewer staff. Call customer service. You'll speak to an AI assistant before you reach a human voice. Walk into a bank. More empty counters. More automated machines. Automation has already taken over many predictable and repetitive tasks, not to eliminate humans entirely, but to reshape the roles they used to perform. The jobs we once considered easy entry points are becoming automated tasks handled by algorithms. This doesn't mean humans vanish. It means the starting point, the foundation of human work, is moving upward. Companies shifting toward automation. Across almost every major sector: technology, retail, logistics, finance, media, education, companies are making a clear statement. If a task can be automated, it eventually will be. Not to replace human beings out of ambition, but out of necessity. Rising costs, competitive pressures, and the speed of AI innovation have reshaped how companies think about staffing. A project that once required 10 people can now be managed by one skilled worker equipped with the right AI tools. This isn't speculation. Companies have openly confirmed that they are restructuring to operate with smaller, more efficient teams, augmented by AI. It's uncomfortable, but it also opens the door to new kinds of work for those who adapt early. The job interview, you versus an algorithm. There is another transformation happening behind the scenes, one that candidates rarely see. The hiring process itself is being automated. Many companies now conduct their first interview rounds with automated video systems. They analyze your tone, your word choice, your reaction time. They filter CVs, run skill simulations, and evaluate personality traits, all before a human being ever enters the process. This is why so many applicants never receive a phone call. It's not because a manager rejected them. It's because an algorithm never passed them forward. Before impressing a human, you must impress a machine. This is the new hiring reality. And understanding this system is the first step toward mastering it. The global picture: UK, US, and India. AI adoption is global, but the impact is not the same everywhere. In the United Kingdom, slower economic growth, rising costs, and rapid automation in support and administrative roles have made the early part of the job ladder tougher. Competition is high, opportunities are fewer, and companies are under pressure to operate leaner. In the United States, the transformation is faster, but more balanced. Startups operate with small AI-powered teams. The tech ecosystem is strong. Jobs get reshaped aggressively, but new opportunities appear just as quickly. The market moves fast, and so do the people. In India, a completely different pattern emerges. A younger population, high digital adoption, and companies using AI to scale, not shrink, have created a unique environment. Many roles are changing, but not disappearing. A small team with AI can do the work of an entire department, but because the market is expanding, jobs evolve rather than vanish. 3 countries, 3 models, 3 futures, and the UK must decide which path it wants to follow. Jobs AI will create. The next decade of opportunities. We often hear about the jobs AI will take away. What we rarely talk about is what AI will create. Across the UK, a quiet explosion of new roles is already underway. Roles that didn't exist 5 years ago, roles that are becoming the backbone of the new digital workforce. As AI becomes more deeply woven into daily business operations, companies need people who can supervise it, guide it, correct it, and make sure the human output is still meaningful, accurate, and creative. This is where the rise of the human in the loop begins. Editors, analysts, creators, coders, and strategists who work with AI instead of competing against it. Physical automation is also creating its own revolution. Every new robot or automated system needs technicians, maintainers, operators, and people who understand how digital workflows connect with the real-world environment. Cybersecurity is expanding faster than universities can produce experts. The online education space is exploding, with creators building learning experiences for everything from AI tools to healthcare to green energy. And in the middle of all this technological noise, human connection jobs are rising too. Therapists, coaches, trainers, teachers, as life becomes more digital, emotional guidance and human-centered support become even more valuable. The UK's next decade won't just be shaped by machines. It will be shaped by the humans who know how to command them, guide them, and use them to build new industries from the ground up. The UK job market, 2025 to 2035. What's really coming? The next decade is not going to be a collapse. It's going to be a reshaping. A rewriting of how work itself is defined. Many roles will not disappear, but they will change. Some tasks will vanish, some new responsibilities will appear, and many workers will find themselves using AI every single day, the same way they once used email or Excel. Research and expert forecasts agree on one thing: change will be the new normal. Around 60% of UK jobs will evolve in some form. Hybrid and remote work will solidify as standard practice. Digital collaboration between humans and AI will dominate how companies operate. Productivity will rise, but teams may become smaller. Companies will prefer highly capable workers who understand how to use AI to amplify their output. And at the same time, skills like creativity, leadership, empathy, strategic thinking, and problem-solving will become more valuable than ever, because these are the areas AI struggles to replicate. Career paths themselves will stop being straight lines. People will shift industries more often, work across multiple fields, combine digital knowledge with human skills, and build careers based on adaptability, not job titles. And as the UK invests more heavily in AI infrastructure, private companies, universities, and global partnerships will accelerate this transformation even further. We are not heading into a world without jobs. We are heading into a world where jobs look different, evolve faster, and reward people who learn continuously. The AI Survival Toolkit. How to prepare for what's next. This is the part that matters most. The part that decides whether someone struggles or someone rises. The truth is simple. Survival in the next 5 years isn't about degrees or age or background. It's about adaptation. The people who thrive will be the ones who learn how to work with AI instead of being intimidated by it. Those who take one powerful tool, master it deeply, and use it to multiply their productivity will stand out instantly. Portfolios will matter more than CVs. Real results will matter more than theoretical knowledge. And human skills, empathy, storytelling, leadership, creativity, the ability to make decisions, guide teams, and solve complex problems will become premium abilities that companies value above everything else. This is also the decade to diversify, to experiment, to create multiple income paths instead of relying on one. Freelancing, content creation, consulting, digital products. The entire world is moving toward hybrid earners who combine online and offline skills. But above all else, this is the decade to become AI augmented, not AI overwhelmed. Because AI won't replace everyone. But people who understand AI will absolutely replace people who don't. And in this new world, the mindset shift is everything. You are not competing with machines. You are collaborating with them. You are amplifying yourself through them. You are becoming stronger, faster, and more capable than any human generation before you. You still have the advantage. The future of work in the UK is not a war between humans and machines. It's a partnership, a fusion of human purpose and machine power. AI can analyze. AI can compute. AI can repeat patterns. But AI cannot dream. AI cannot feel. AI cannot imagine new worlds or create meaning or connect heart to heart the way a human being can. AI is powerful, but you are irreplaceable. This is the future of work. This is the new era of opportunity. And this is the beginning of your next chapter. Fade out with the UK skyline and a world that is changing faster than ever, but full of possibility for those who learn to ride the wave. Beyond identities, beyond borders, beyond divisions, our destiny is one. You are watching Next Horizon Global.